No, this is not a garden video update. Just thought I'd show you the backness of the backyard compared to the front yard. It's only like a little after 4, about 4:25. And here's the, I'm going to add the gardening, but here's the, how it looks. I went and gone ahead and cooked the, grate down for this. This is about over. So grab these tomatoes. There's down there, and there's front of the house. I mean, it just got dark, and there's some nasty ass clouds there, bright ass clouds. There's an amusement park that we called Kings Dominion, which is that way, and you can see the Eiffel Tower in the park. And last time we had thunderstorms, that's where the thunder was coming from, but it's coming from that way. And the temperature just dropped. A view of the lake, where I have fished in it, fish jumping. Turtles like to sunbathe there. Guess I probably should start heading in the house. And this is supposed to be a water runoff, but they fucked it up when they built that house because they filled it in. That tree's dead. But yeah, this is how it normally happens. You get dark ass clouds coming in that way, and the front's usually bright. So thank you for watching. If you have a comment, please leave it.